This is the Master Swim Out Suite at Secrets, Puerto Los Cabos. This is a really great size room. It has a full dining table and a living room, so you have plenty of space to spread out and enjoy room service. There's an espresso coffee machine here and a mini bar that's restocked daily. This room category only comes in a king-size bed, so double beds aren't available in this category. Separate toilet area, a huge closet, and an even larger shower. The bathroom also has an oversized jetted tub and double sinks. This room is about 1,100 square feet and it does come with preferred club amenities. Walking outside, you'll see this beautiful pool. There are steps down, so no need to worry about hoisting yourself in or out of the pool. It will come with 2 Chase lounge chairs and then also a table and chairs. So this room has 2 entrances into the pool and it is just gorgeous. If you are interested in using a travel agent to get this booked, I would be happy to help you. You can reach out to me via my website at memoriesandmojitos.com.